Today we're going to be showing you how to replace the screen on this little 10-inch Acer Aspire 1 unit. I'll get the model number in just a second. What you need to do is make sure you have the power turned off. As you can clearly see that the screen is busted on this. So, I'm going to remove power. What you need to do is take this battery here. I'm going to be taking it off. There's a little deal just on the side here. You can peel this back or down. Once you get those off, you got that screw down here at the bottom. You got this screw here at that bottom on the other side. It's a small screwdriver. I'm going to take these two screws off. Make sure you don't lose these screws. Since the screen is already busted, the way I'm going to show you how to fix this may seem a little brutal, but what you're going to do is you're going to put something in between the glass and this frame here, the bezel, and you're going to lift that bezel up like that, and you'll go all the way around the screen. And you'll hear a popping noise, but that's the piece around it. They have a locking, so now your bezel piece is like this, and you're going to go all the way around and do the other side the same way. That just lifts up. Now you have 1 screw, 2 screw, 3 screw, 4 screw, and you're going to take those screws off. Normally you have a screw on the side, but this will take the screen off of the lid here. Then this LCD will fold down, and this part here, which is just camera, and that little ribbon cable there, you'll probably have to unplug it because it'll be attached to the back of this screen. So we're going to get those 4 screws off, and I'll lay it down to show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to go ahead and unplug the camera just so it's out of my way. I'm going to get this screw out here. Perspective view of what I'm doing. Taking this screw here out. I'm taking this screw here out. As you can see, the lid, the LCD itself is separate from the back panel. And here's where I'm talking about that cable. And you're just going to simply lift up. And again, down here. This yellow tape here called Kapton tape. It's used widely for laptops. It's heat resistant and is pretty much conductive resistant. You can't conduct any electricity. And what you're going to do is you're going to pull that off. You're going to save this piece. We're not going to destroy it. And there's going to be another tape on this. And it's clear and it's a stiff tape. And what I do is I get my nail underneath it. And you're going to pull from one corner to the next corner. And this here, you're going to pull this back like that. Now make sure when you pull this, you're not going to rip it from here. This is your cable for your video. I'm going to take care of it. And you're just taking off your LCD screen. So when you Google your Aspire 1, you're going to have to look it up by the model number, which is right here. This would be the model number here. Model number ZE6 is what the model number for this one is. Or it'll say Aspire 1 D257-13657. So that's what I use for this. Okay. I've already got the new display. I'm going to put it on. Installation is the same as removal. Always make sure that they have this little protective layer here. So you want to take that off. See where the tape is? Take that off. So installation is the same as removal. You just put the connector back onto it. Stick this back up. Press it against here. Get your two top screws in. Get your bottom two. Put your bezel back on. And you're ready to go. I'll show it that it's working after I put it back on. And there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.